These are 4 MDF clamps that I am refurbishing. They've been used a lot over the years, but the MDF's swollen now, with them being damp and the workshop not been used for quite some time. The heads won't slide up and down, and there's 6 more up here which are a bit worse for wear, so I'm going to get them sorted out at the same time. I tried sanding these with the hand sanding block, but that was going to take too long. The cramps took some getting off. With the MDF being swollen, they were wedged on. So I ended up using the angle grinder with the sanding disc on. I tried sanding the MDF with the angle grinder, but this was going to take too long, and also it didn't really work. It was too messy. I'm cleaning the steel up on the top of the clamps one at a time, then I'm taking this steel off. I'm trying to get the cramp head off now. That's stuck on. I'm getting these other 6 cramps down now, because I'm going to refurbish them at the same time. I'm brushing the dust off straight into the extractor. These are ready for fielding down now on the saw bench, and that's the metalwork off the top of the clamps. That can go back on once the clamps have been reduced in width. I'm setting the height of the saw blade now. Each pass will reduce the centre portion so the clamps aren't tight, and all these boards are for is just for a bit more stability. I'm lifting the power feed onto the saw bench. These are a good accessory when you're machining. Once you get to know how to work them, they're pretty easy really. It's a good size this, it's not very heavy. The big one on the spindle moulder, I used to be able to move that by myself. I can hardly move it at all now. This is actual real speed, this section. I can't go any faster because the motor horsepower on the saw bench is not big enough, and it's a rather deep cut. I'm screwing this steel back on top of the clamps again now. If you can remember this clip, near the beginning, when I first got these down off the shelf, that's what the clamps look like now. This is an old picture of the clamps being used, and this is the finished job on the day of installation. That was door number 1 on the left hand side.